most of the people, when they try to rank on Google Maps, like in some cases, if you note that you have the more reviews to like to other competitors, you have more citations, you like you are optimizing your GMP profile best according to your knowledge and them and other market experts according to them. But still there are something you like, still you are not seeing your profile on the local map pack. You know why this happened? So hi, my name is Sunil Sharma. I'm doing local SEO for last 6 years, and like I work with like more than 200 profiles, and I help them to achieve a better ranking and like uh, dominate the local map pack in their own service areas. So let's uh, see a scenario where after doing the all work on the gym profile and the reviews part, is there anything else we need to think about it? So let's start the video. So here the case in this, like the technical part, I know like most of the people, and they are doing SEO, and like the business owners, they don't, I think they don't have the knowledge that how to optimize your website for like to be a technically sound good, right? So technical SEO mostly about is that how fast Google crawl your website, like how accessible your website for is like Google crawlers, and uh, why Google like and how frequently Google like indexing your content, right? So mostly it's about like the website speed, the navigations, how how you structure your website, the user interface, UI, these things. So like the first thing is website loading speed time. In this checklist, this is the first point: website loading speed time. In this, there are certain ways you can go and optimize your website to be load faster, so that like speed is a like ranking signal, right? So you should also like work on your web page like loading speed, and also the all of your pages have like the better response in mobile devices. Also they should be like all your website should be mobile responsive. The first thing is improve server response time. You should choose the best hostings that have very less response like server response time, right? The second one is optimize and reduce image size without affecting the visual appearance. Like if you put the the JPEG images and the PNGs, like they have the larger size, and if you put more images on your web page, it's very hard to load your page faster. So that you need to use the next generation images format. Like if you've seen many of website, they have lots of images, but they load like a rocket, like in less than 1 second, 2 second, right? Minimize the render blocking JavaScript and CSS. This is the part like which is done by your developer team. Like if you have a team that are working on your website, then you should ask them to block all the JavaScript and the CSS. The next one is set a browser cache policy. Like browser cache means if you open a website once in your browser, when you go to the next time in the same browser, the website load fast. The reason, because like your browser already uh, like saved the the elements of the web page that needs more time to load. So next time when you open that website, it will like open very fast. So the next one is reduce the number of redirects and eliminate them. Redirects means that you have like many pages on your web page, and most of them are like you are redirecting your pages to the another URLs. So like it's like a chain system. Like when Google come to one page, you are redirecting that page to another. Then Google crawler move to the next page. Then you are moving like redirecting that another page to the next one. So it's like redirection chain. So you should try to like find out all of the redirection of your pages, then and try to eliminate and make the like URL structure clear. The next one is avoid loading your site with too much stuff. There are many options you can go and like implement on your web page, like lazy load is one of the format. I know about it. So in lazy load, what should like if you load a page, so the above fall page loaded first time, right? So like it give your website a boost, so like it will load up faster. Then you scroll down, the next the remaining content of the page is loading in the background, right? That also helped to like uh, be a fast website. The next one is the website and the user, like how your website should be functional and the usability in usability. So like your website should be, please consider all of these points, make a list of all of these points. These are the like I found out all of these points after working like hundreds of websites, right? So these are the crucial points in terms of the local SEO. Make sure your website is mobile friendly, should be, uh, and also your website URL should be you need to build your URLs according to search engine. Like should be a shortener, like uh, don't put any random number, any numeric number in that. Also short with less and no stop users, like use this instead of spaces. Set preferred version, like there is four versions a website you are like website has, like some of the websites start with www, http, www, then without www with http. So there is a four version. You should move these like, any three. Like first of all you need to install the SSL, then after once you install the SSL, the http part will be automatically eliminated. Your website's all pages automatically redirect to https. So pick a one preferred version for your own website, like either go with www or you can like make it like simply https site.com. So redirect all the other variations, all versions to the preferred version. Set up the correctly 30 redirects after site migrate. If you need to migrate your website from like one platform to another, or like if you have like the old website and you want to migrate to a new one, then closely like keep an eye to the your all of the URLs should like are properly redirect to the new pages. Test your robots file, robots that dot txt file to show Google the right content. So if you want to hide some content on your website that like that you don't think that should be uh, helpful for your own purposes and for also the search engine, you should block these directories in the robots.txt file. Review your sitemap to avoid being outdated. So sitemap is a thing that it's a directory of all your pages, inner pages, right? Uh, it's like similar to uh, the mobile directory. When you go to the directory, it will tell you all about like the area codes according to the alphabetical error, like sequence, right? So in sitemaps, it will tell you that how many categories you have on your web page, and in these categories how many pages like you like you created subcategories under the categories, right? Like this is the most important part. Optimize your crawl budget. So like that uh, according to the value of the website, right? The authority of the website, like somehow Google allocate the budget, like how many crawls they, like Google uh, crawl their website in a month, how many pages they can crawl, right? So you how you can optimize the crawl budget, just you can like either you can set up a rule in your robots.txt file. uh, you can like block the directories which are like not necessary for your own business. And the second one is you can go and no index all the pages which are like not necessary. You don't want to spend more crawl budget to re-crawl them or index them. Like the last one is the language tag. uh, it's like uh, mm, mostly for, it's not for the like local SEO websites, but I also include this. The reason is that uh, many it should be possible that if you are operating in multi countries, there is some like Apple is a brand like which is in like multiple countries. So if they have any like their store code that you can use to tell Google that where is your store located and what is your preferred language for that particular store. The C part is the content optimization. Uh, Replace or redirect broken links and resources. Just we discussed in the previous part. Find out all the broken links, and either you can remove them, like in the sense means you can redirect them and you can replace them with a new URL, right? The next one is audit internal links to improve your chances to rank higher. Like internal links is like underrated feature of SEO. It make your website like crawlable faster by Google. Like like if you want, like some of the people, they have the issues that Google is not indexing their new content, their new pages. The reason behind this is they either they make the orphan pages means the page they created recently is not linked with the other pages, they are already indexed in the Google, or the content on that page is like, well, like very low quality content, right? Both these are, so improve your indexability. You should interlink all of your page, like new pages, to like the previous pages, the old pages. Get rid of duplicate content. Duplicate content means that uh, Google already indexed the same copy in their database. So it's very hard for Google to go and index this another copy of the same content again and again and again. So like Google also want like unique and fresh content, so they can have more in-depth knowledge about their particular topic. So don't like if you have multiple pages which are covering same topic, just either you can make them a single page, or like you can go and change the content. Last one is avoid like canonicalization blog pages to the root of the blog. This is the term that uh, multiple pages, they are targeting the same keyword. Canonicalization is this multiple keywords they are targeting for same page. So you can find them. If you have some of the pages on your website, just go and merge them or redirect them. Last one is user-friendly website. How you can make your website user-friendly? You can set up the AMP, accelerated mobile pages. So like it's a version for the like only for the mobile devices. So like if you enable this feature, your website load faster in mobile devices. You can also add the breadcrumb for a better navigation. The breadcrumb is a kind of schema markup. If you install it, like if you put the code on, like most of the, if you are using WordPress, there are many plugins like Rank Math, the all-in-one SEO, the Yoast, they already have inbuilt feature. So they automatically put that code on each page. But like if you are like outside of the WordPress, you can put a code, you can like on each page, so that it will help Google to understand all of your website structure and the navigations. And the last thing is test your pages on multiple devices, as many devices as possible, like on the iPhone, on the Mac, on the like the tablets, like screen according like many mobiles have the different screen sizes. You should also uh, test on your web pages on the devices, so that you can make sure that your website is fully functionable and like working like smoothly on all the like devices. So these are the like things which are like I most common issues in the technical part of uh, any website. So if you like the content of this video, please share this video. Don't forget to subscribe this channel. I'll cover like most of the local SEO and the GMB ranking strategies and the case studies on this channel. So you will get the notification when once the new video update on, like I'll upload a new video on this channel. Bye bye. Take care.